Good morning. We're going to make a DIY honey cough drop, and it can be used by children or adults. It's very easy to make. All you need is 1 cup of honey, some lollipop sticks, a mold, and a candy thermometer. I'm using this Centrect thermometer because it's easier for me. And what you do is you just turn it on and you beam it down, and it tells you. And right now it's telling me that my syrup is only 71 degrees and we have to get it up to 300 degrees and pour it in the molds. You can also use lemon essential oil or herbs, but you don't want to add those in till the very end when it reaches 300. When it reaches 300, you want to pour it in the mold. So I have these teddy bear molds here, and I already have the 1 cup of honey in here to make things easier for me. And these are the lollipop sticks, and you can buy those anywhere. And what I do is I take one and I cut it in half. And what you're going to do is you're just going to set the lollipop stick in there like this, and then you're just going to pour the honey mixture in. These are good, like I said, for adults or children. And the good thing about the children, they have a little stick that they can hold on to and suck on. Even adults, sometimes we like to be spoiled with that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this over to the stove and start boiling it, and we're going to boil it to 300. So hold on, and I'll be right back while I get it on the stove. Okay, I got it going right now. Let's see what it is here. It says 52, 51. I've got a long ways to go. I have to handheld this camera because I can't put it on my tripod. I'm having a hard time standing and trying to do it. So when it gets close to boiling, I'll bring you back. Okay, it's getting close. Let's see, right now it is 2:52, and I will bring you back. Okay, I'm very, very close. Let's see, where am I? I'm very, very close. Just need to get down farther. So I'll bring you back. Okay, it's all ready. And I'm going to get ready to pour. Hold on here. I got the sticks in. Hopefully this will come out good. Standing on my feet has not been the easiest. Okay, there you go, right there. And I've got another little mold here I'm going to fill. Let's see if I can push this over. I've got a lot of honey left over. And I'm going to just fill each one of these. I can tell you one thing, this is the first time I've really stood on my foot. And it's way too much for me to be on my feet. So the next project I'll be doing, I'll be sitting. Whoa, whoa, we're making a mess. Whoa. Sugar shack. Well, I'm still going to have some left over. So I've got to go find another mold, and I will bring you back when they're all cooled down. Welcome back. They are all done. Let me take it off here. Right here, we're going to take them out together and see how they come out. That one broke. Okay, I just did the bears and they broke. I think it's because my leg gave out and I probably should be sitting down, but I'm going to still keep all these little pieces. I'm showing you the real deal here. We're not going to candy coat anything. And I would say these molds, these are brand new molds. See, they're really hard coming out. So I'm glad I use this because these are smaller. And I think they'll come out just fine. Oh yeah, look at that. It depends on the molds you use. Now, I would probably not give this to children because they're thicker and they could choke. But this would be great for adults. But I'm not editing it. I'm showing you the real deal. Everything doesn't always have to come out pretty and perfect. That's a problem with people on YouTube. I'm not saying everybody, but everybody will edit things out. But I'm not. And these actually came out pretty cute. They got, trim them up a little. You could bag them and they would look just as cute as a button. These would make a nice little gift. Matter of fact, get a small plate here. Put them on. Look how cute this is. I'm kind of disappointed in that mold because the mold plastic is even breaking. So I may send it back because it is brand new. I'm very disappointed. There you go. How nice does that look? And then what I would do if I was going to give it away to a family member or somebody. Oh, let me see here. Ray's been in taking care of me, so everything's not in the same place it should be. But I'll just use this. I was looking for a snack bag, but this is going to have to do. I'd put a few of these in a snack bag, probably 4 like this. And I would do it up like that. Let me see what I got in here. Winging this the last minute here. Then I'd take a piece of yellow ribbon. And I'd go tie it here. Where am I? I'm really disappointed in the bear mold. I'll show you what I mean when I'm done. Here. And you could put a little card with this or just give it to a friend. How cute is that? So that's something you could do with it. But on this mold, honey bear mold, see right here? It's like the plastic is cracking right in half. Show you what I mean. See? So I'm going to send that back. I'm not happy with the mold. But these smell wonderful. And again, these are a honey cough drop. And see what you can do. Just give it a little gift. Put it in a little basket. If someone's got a cold, put it in with a nice card or some soup or something. So there you go. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. You never know what's going to be on my videos. Today I didn't edit. You see the real deal right here. So, like I always say, you never know what's going to be on my videos. God bless. We'll see you tomorrow, I hope. Bye now.